Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at LizzieLovesLife, and today I'm just going to do a chit chat, get ready with me video using some of the products that I am working on during the month of January. If you're interested in seeing everything that is in my current everyday makeup bag, I will link it up above. But today I just figured it has been a while since I just sat down, talked to you guys, let you know kind of what's going on, and yeah, so we're gonna play with some makeup, get our face ready for the day, and yeah, if you're interested, then keep watching. So I'm going in first with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, but I wanted to first say Happy New Year to all you guys. I feel like this New Year's we were all like super excited, wanting 2021 to be different than 2020. But looking back at this past year, it definitely has, I feel like, for everyone, put the reality and what's most important in everyone's life to the forefront of everyone's mind. So what I mean by that is, like, before the pandemic, I tried to kind of fill up my time with as much activities, things that I can do. And then since the pandemic, you definitely kind of narrow down what's truly important, the people that are truly important to you, and those things you made time for, basically, towards 2020. But we did and do believe in face masks, social distancing, everything like that. But definitely towards after, like, I want to say like in June, like around summertime, I had definitely a lot of breakdowns, things like that. I'm definitely a social person. I really enjoy spending time with people, getting out of the house, doing things. I feel like a lot of things have definitely not come back since then, but a lot of the main stuff have, which I'm truly grateful for. We are definitely staying safe, but we're also taking care of our mental state too, and still doing things to kind of nourish that. So for 2021, I'm definitely hopeful for what the vaccine will be bringing. I do plan on taking the vaccine whenever it is available to me. I am just ready for some change. There's a lot of stuff going on here in America lately that is embarrassing and disgraceful, but I'm just staying mindful of it, aware, watching the news. What's interesting is I've actually been watching a lot more on TikTok versus the news. Very interesting how much people post and talk about on TikTok with what is currently going on in the world. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I will leave my handle right there. But yeah, that's kind of, I've definitely since the year has started, watch a lot more TikTok lately. I haven't really made them in a long time. For like goals and stuff for 2021, I'm not gonna be one to make like a serious resolution this year. Last year I did have a video, I can share it up in the cards for you for those interested in like my certain goals I wanted to work on and stuff. I feel like my shirt is way longer than my jacket. I gotta bring that in. But this year I'm kind of just taking it slow, I guess you can say, one day at a time kind of thing, just kind of working on what's most important, like I mentioned, that I kind of learned in 2020. So I do have some fitness goals and things that I want to do. I do have some things I want to do on my channel, but we're just gonna kind of make family the most important thing and go from there. I do plan, I haven't done a lot since the holidays of like my lifestyle videos. If y'all haven't seen that video when I talk about kind of what's happening with this channel, what I'll be doing more, I'll link it up above. But pretty much I won't be showing too much lifestyle like with my son content in there. It'll definitely be more focused towards me, homemaking, things like that, just because of certain things that were going on. So I'm just trying to kind of figure out what y'all want to see for that kind of stuff. So if you have any video ideas that you would like me to do, let me know in the comments down below. I am excited though, this year I do plan on working on my beauty, project painting, that kind of stuff a little bit more here on my channel, and sharing more like Amazon finds. So that's kind of going to be what my channel here is going to be mainly, and then sprinkled in lifestyle mommy kind of content. So what's interesting is I got this big like beauty blender. It's from Amazon. This is the Bee Key. I have never tried it yet, so I'm excited to give it a go. We're going to use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation because you guys know I have been working on this for a long time and it's like definitely old now. So we're just going to apply this, and I do have my mirror over here. But I'm kind of debating on what and how many project pans to do this year. So I currently am doing the monochromatic project pan, which I'm really excited to be doing because you kind of just take a different color every month and then rotate it that way. But I'm also thinking, I saw a most expensive project pan and then like a cream project pan that's going around here on YouTube. So I'm kind of trying to figure out what to do. If I want to hop on any of those project pans or just kind of take it as it goes. I'm kind of thinking of just working on my products as it goes. I originally in the past had a huge spreadsheet that I had all of my products, the dates that I purchased them and everything on it, and then my computer died and I can't seem to access that file anymore. So I was hoping to do that and use like kind of see what has expired, things like that. So I'm just kind of rotating through my products right now in my collection, seeing what's still good, especially lip products, things like that, the cream products, and throwing out what is not necessary. I also need to start going through my nail polishes and just kind of narrow down exactly what I want to keep, what I want to try and use up. So I do have a makeup inventory that should be coming soon. I just kind of have to clean up my desk. Like, I don't know about y'all, but my makeup vanity is always such a hot mess. I do like this little sponge. It is super big. I feel like it gets bigger than the beauty blenders and super cheap. It comes, let me show you guys, it comes in this like huge kind of pack. I think there was a pack of 5. I gave one to my son because he saw it and I just let him play with it, and so that's why I don't currently have the 5th one. I also got this little guy here from Limelight. I purchased like a maze box where you can try a couple of full-size, sample-size products, and I got this, but this just does not hold the cake to that. I do like though that this has a flat side to it versus the normal kind of beauty blender look, but it's not as soft and like fluffy. So we're gonna go in with my concealer, but I do have a couple of new products that I do plan on doing some makeup reviews here and there. Today I just wanted to kind of do my normal routine and just chat with you guys instead of talk specifically about a new product. So let me know. I have some mascaras I can try. I have a CoverGirl concealer that I can test against this Tarte Shape Tape. So let me know which one you guys are interested in seeing. If you want a mascara review, eyeliner, or concealer, I have products for all of them. Just gotta kind of figure out which one I want to do first here on my channel. So the other day I went on a walk. It kind of looks, or I don't know if you guys can see, it kind of looks like I got a busted lip right there because of the wind. It has been getting so cold here lately, but I just like, it's been a while since I took Copper for like a good walk. So we went on like a 2-mile walk. It felt so good to get out there, but my lip definitely has like got super dry and cracked because of it. I did not put on any kind of lip balm or anything for that walk, so I regret that. My hands have, y'all know my history of my hands. They are still pretty dry, but they're not that dry compared to normal, so that's a good thing. But I am liking how, like, my mindset for this year, for 2021, with kind of project panning, using things up, just kind of playing with different things, trying to work on kind of my more expensive items to get my money's worth of it. So yeah, I am excited to play with my makeup this year. I feel like in the past, like I was always working on my older items, and my older items definitely just due to age and stuff like that and how old I was when I started collecting makeup were kind of more drugstore, things like that. So now I'm using my higher end stuff, and I'm enjoying doing that. If y'all are like me, you like to kind of escape reality sometimes and watch some good shows. So what have been the shows that you have been watching lately? For us, we watched Bridgerton, which was so good. Then another show I was watching was The Pretty Little Things, I think is what it's called. It's like ballet meets Pretty Little Liars, like Black Swan kind of stuff. Very raunchy. If you think Bridgerton is a lot of sex raunchiness, then don't watch that. But that one was really good as well. I really enjoyed that. And then I did recently watch some trashy TV on Netflix. MTV, like, I don't know if y'all have been noticing, but I've found out that Netflix is putting out old reality TV shows. I've seen Survivor pop up there. I think maybe Amazing Race popped up there once, but I saw that they had the show called Are You the One? And it was an MTV show back in 2014, 2015, where they take 20 people, 10 girls, 10 boys, and they have to try and match each other and find their perfect match. And if they get all 10 of them correct, I think they have maybe 10 tries. If they get all of them correct, then they all get to split $1 million. And it definitely, when I say is trashy, it's MTV. Like, lots of fighting, lots of craziness, but I don't know, with the world and how reality is right now, I don't know, it was better for me to kind of watch 20-year-olds fight like that instead. I don't know. I don't technically watch that stuff all the time, but it just grabbed my attention. There are 2 seasons on Netflix, so I've been watching that. So I also watched the last season of Sabrina the Teenage Witch, the Netflix one that's a little bit darker, and really enjoyed that. So since my lips are so kind of chapped, I'm using this. This is the chapstick, Total Hydration, Moisture and Tint in Pretty Pink. So we're going to use this today. Doesn't really go with my eyes, but I do think I need something. And I'm not one to buy like regular chapstick, which I should. Maybe I'll put on a gloss that's a little bit darker. So yes, I was watching that show, and I watched Sabrina, and then what else? I think that's about it. I did recently get into this show called Warrior Nun. My dad was telling me about it, so I checked it out the other day. It's basically like Van Helsing, Daredevil. Like, okay, so this girl is dead, and then she gets this sci-fi. If you're not into sci-fi, like monsters, fighting, that kind of stuff, then you wouldn't be interested in it. But I'm on episode 2, and it's kind of getting me in. I do like the main characters, so Warrior Nun is a pretty good show as well. But let me know what you guys have been watching to kind of escape from reality. YouTube has kind of been hit or miss for me watching certain channels lately, but I do plan on doing a video of my favorite YouTube channels that I have been watching lately to kind of let you guys know things that I'm interested in and have been watching during my spare time. So check that video out, coming soon. But I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. I plan on doing an Ulta haul next. I have my box right next to me, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.